Hi people, my name is Marijn and I will be burping this video. I've got some Spa Touch Passion Fizz with me, which I will show in a minute. And just watch it. Here it is. Here it is. I've got this whole bottle to drink, so there will be some burps. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's go. Let's just drink it. It's much, but I think I can handle it. I think I can handle it. Alright. There we go. Proost. Oh my god. That's much. Oh man, just give me a minute. Oh my god. How many liters is this? 1 liter, okay. Weak, very weak. I'll be doing my best to produce some bigger ones. Oh man, it's hard. It's really hard doing this. Oh man, I feel them being stuck. I feel them being stuck in my throat. Or just a little below that. Oh man, I sound like a sea lion. There's not like much left, so I will be drinking all of it. Oh, my stomach is being full right now. It's being very full. Oh man, 1 liter. That's just, it's so much. Okay, I'll be waiting for some more burps to come up. And what do you all think of my body, of my belly, and my physique? I would like to hear that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it almost came up. I think that's it. Goodbye, and excuse the burping.